Carrier Wheels Private Limited is amongst the leading wheel manufacturing companies in India and has a large OEM customer base across the globe. Our range of products include for tractors, passenger cars, construction, earth moving, flotation and implement wheels. We manufacture steel wheels for the smallest tractors to the largest tractors used worldwide. We are Tier 1 supplier to OEMs like Escorts, ITL, TAFE, Didgin, AGCO, etc. Wheels developed by us start from scratch and thereafter the designing of our tools, tool manufacturing and then product manufacturing, which is all done in-house.
We have a large portfolio of wheels. We have around 200 wheels that we manufacture as on today, different models. And for these wheels, there are roughly around 350 part numbers, child parts that we manufacture. Now, every child part roughly involves around 500 components or 500 tools or fixtures or gauges or things like that. And for everything, there's always a revision, there's always some documents that are linked to that. So things had started to get out of hand basically at some point of time in the past. So that is when we decided that we should have a solution for effective data management.
For any new product development, our average timeline from concept to serial supplies to customer is 12 to 18 months. During this period, volume of communications exchanged between various departments of both the customer and our company is huge. Our major challenge was to centralize all these communications, customer-wise as well as project-wise.
We evaluated around 4 to 5 other similar solutions from other companies. But when we evaluated Teamcenter, the best thing we found about Teamcenter is the integration with other softwares. For example, Solid Edge, for example, CAM Express, for example, FEMAP if we decide to go for that in future, and other solutions. So we decided to initially go with one licenses of each of these products. And today we have scaled up to 9 licenses from Solid Edge, and we have one CAM Express. We have Teamcenter, around 10 licenses from Teamcenter. But now with Teamcenter, the way it works and the way it imposes on the user that every time he makes a revision, he captures as to what revision is made, how that revision is made, and what are the changes done in that revision. All the revision history that is related to it, who was the person who did that revision, why that revision was initiated by, was it by the customer end, was it by the quality, was it by the production, was it whatever reason it is all captured there.
Teamcenter has enabled us to seamlessly centralize all these communications, helping us to capture the entire product development cycle at a click of a button.
When a drawing is made in 3D, different software is used in 2D for 2D, then somewhere else, some other software maybe for data recording, some other location for document keeping. So all this was a mammoth task, and there were huge chances of mistakes or missing documents or documents not put in properly by some member of the team. Now it is all there, and the mistakes have come down. The data is well placed. We saved time because of mistakes that happened from conversion from 3D to 2D, which was earlier done manually. Now it is with the click of 3 buttons, we have the entire drafts ready. There were some tools which used to take a week time for designing activities, creating the 3D, 2D related documents, putting all those places. Now we have a timeline of 2 to 3 days for those same tools. Also, if the tool room people, they should not be having to wait for the design team to come up next day early in the morning, keep running to them, get some details. So they can easily search the part from Teamcenter. So now we are transforming towards digital release of drawings. All the approval matrices are pre-built, and we have a structure where as to which approval will be done at what level, and only after approval it will go to the tool room for manufacture. So CAM Express has also helped us to reduce our timeline of tool manufacturing by 15 to 20%, and we've had a saving in terms of machine hours, because machine hours are expensive as well as limited. We always have a large number of tools waiting to be worked upon.
Also, we face difficulties in projecting development timelines. This would sometimes lead to failure in delivery of newly developed products to the customer in time. With all things in one place, we are now able to efficiently project our timelines and deliver as per our commitments. We are now providing first-time right developments due to this efficient system. We have increased our total number of developments per year by 18%, hence enhancing our business development capabilities.
So using Team Center and Solid Edge and CAM Express, we've been able to cut down our design time, we've been able to cut down our tool manufacturing time, and obviously because of that we have been able to reduce the delivery times to the customer.
Feasibility of procuring and implementing Siemens software was one of our financial challenges in our department budgeting. The significant cash outflow was certain, wherein the payback was not very certain at first place. Post implementation, we came up with the cost savings at different levels and different departments, and aggregating them all, there was significant savings. For instance, we have reduced 11% of our IT infrastructure cost because of reduced storage of data and multiple backups therein. Savings in cost of holding of inventory of tooling reduced by 30% due to proper timeline forecast of running projects.
I cannot imagine today as to how we were working without these solutions earlier, and thinking about those, it just seems like we were in these 2 days.
Many of our customers are also using Team Center and Solid Edge. Therefore, being in the same ecosystem was an added advantage. It further added to the confidence of our customers in our capabilities.